Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to verify communication between your feeder modules and the rest of your DSP system, and also how to identify which ID number the feeder is associated with. To start, make sure you're on the home screen. For this task, you can be in either user or admin mode. Now click System Status on the left-hand side, then click Feeder Module Status. On this page, you can see all your feeder modules as well as their name, ID number, and status. Now, if you click and hold the button on the physical feeder module, you will see the name and ID number associated with this feeder changes to blue in the list. The status will also change from OK to Test. So by clicking and holding this button, you just confirmed the feeder name, number, and communication with the rest of the system. Once you release this button, the status will return to OK and the color will return to normal. So this is how you can identify feeder modules while also confirming their communication with the rest of your DSP system. Thanks for watching this video on how to identify feeder modules using your I-Gard Command Center. If you need any more help, please feel free to give us a call at 905-673-1553 and one of our technical support engineers will gladly assist, or visit www.i-gard.com for more resources.